Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting in the Translate app, so make sure your iPhone is updated and permissions are allowed. This saves time when you need live audio or camera translation. Once done, open Translate and tap each language selector to pick the source and target languages. Make sure to download any offline languages you'll need because offline mode uses local models and protects privacy. Now that basics are set, you can move straight into a live conversation or text translation without delay. You'll want conversation mode for two-way speech. Select both languages and tap conversation to get a split view. Use auto detect if you don't know the source language because it listens continuously and switches when it recognizes speech. To speak, tap your side once and speak clearly. The app shows translated text and plays audio for the other person. If accuracy matters, slow down your speech and enunciate. Short phrases reduce errors, then confirm meaning visually with the on-screen text. Wrap up by saving helpful translations to favorites and reviewing history, so common phrases are one tap away. You can also use Translate in Safari or the share sheet to convert web pages or app text. If translations fail or audio stutters, first check microphone and network permissions, toggle offline language downloads, and restart the Translate app. A reboot often clears lingering audio or permission issues. Finally, adjust voice and speech rate in settings if playback sounds unnatural.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.